Hey, what's going on, guys? Nick from Soho Motorsports. Want to talk about another build that we just wrapped up. It's a 2008 Nissan 350Z. If you're in the Nismo community, you are very familiar with this vehicle. It is Kevin's 350Z Nismo. So he brought it to us wanting to get a little bit more power out of it. The vehicle was full bolt-on before it came here, E85, and had CAMs. Now, with this setup, we did a little bit something different with it. We also added a fuel return system and went E85. So this is going to be our first one that we've done that has utilized the fuel return system and done E85. So we were very excited to jump on this project and this build and see what kind of outcomes we got out of it. So with that being said, with the fuel return system, we did the 1300cc injectors and the 450 fuel pump. Now also adding E85. This vehicle on pump gas did very, very good numbers. Now we do have an ATI damper that we did install on this vehicle, so it kind of dropped the boost a little bit. It maintained somewhere around 12 to 12.5 PSI. Now on pump gas, this vehicle did around 550 wheel, and then when we put the E85, when we had a little bit of pump in there as well too, the mixture was around E65, and so on E65 it did 578 wheel. Now I'll put up the graph so you can kind of see what kind of power in the power band and how it looks like on 12.5 PSI. However, like I said, this vehicle is going to be a handful. So 350Z is making over 500 wheel. If you followed Nizzy, you are aware that that car is fun and it's quick. Very fun build. We'll pan over all of the install. He did decide to go with the red intake manifold, which really does pop with the vehicle. He also has the Volk wheels, as you can see. So this vehicle is set up very nicely. I do believe that before he went supercharged, he was tracking this vehicle. So I'm curious to see if he wants to track it now with that type of power. We do appreciate everybody's support and everybody that follows us on social media. If you could basically hit the subscribe button below, follow us on social media, hit us with any questions if you like, support at sohomotorsports.com. Give us a call, 704-839-0435. Once again, thank you for watching and have a good day.